Hello, welcome to Lakshmi Max classes. Now 10th standard exercise problem solving, exercise 1.1. Yesterday we see the first question of the exercise 1.1. From that we can understand when A not equal to B, A cross B not equal to B cross A. That is the concept. Now we are going to see about second question. Exercise 1.1, second question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number less than 10. We know that what is meant by prime number. Prime number that cannot be divisible by any number. And also the given condition is less than 10. Therefore, first we built the set B. B equal to 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number since 3 can divide 9. Therefore, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. Set B. Given set A equal to 1, 2, 3. We find A cross B. A cross B means first element from A, second element from B. First we consider first element 1 and in B 1 by 1 all the elements ordered pair. Write 1 by 1 elements. First take 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then second element in the A 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 from the set B. Then take the next element 3, 3, 2, 2 from B. 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. These are the set A cross B. Now we compute B cross A. Compute. B cross A means first element from B, second element from A. First element from B, second element from A. Like that. First element from B 2. First element from A 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Then 7, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. This is the B cross A equal to set of all these elements. Next question. This is the completion of the second question. We have computed A cross B and B cross A. We shall move next question. Third question. If B cross A already given B cross A, we have to find A and B. This is the question. We have the ordered pair of B cross A. If B cross A equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. First element belongs to the set B. The second element belongs to the set A. So we can easily find the set B and A. B equal to minus 2, 0, 3. And all the first element of the ordered pair is the set B. And set A equal to set of all second element. Consider the second element of 3, 4. So 3 and 4 are the second element in the B cross A set. Therefore, set of all A equal to set of all 3, 4, all the second elements. This is the completion of the third question. Now we shall move to the fourth question. If A equal to set of all 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6 and C equal to 5, 6, 7, so that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection of C cross C. We first build A cross A, then find B cross B and then C cross C. Then B cross B intersection C cross C. Intersection means the common elements. We should the common element between B cross B and C cross C. Then we show that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Solution. A cross A equal to A is set 5, 6. So A cross A equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. A cross A equal to set of all 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Put this as a equation number 1. Then B cross B. We find B cross B. B cross B equal to, B is given 4, 5, 6. So B cross B is equal to 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Let this be equation number 2. Then C cross C. We find C cross C. Given C cross C equal to 5, 6, 7. Therefore, C cross C equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 6, 7, 7. Let this equation number 3. Now we have to find B cross B intersection C cross C. B cross B intersection C cross C. The common elements both that should be both in B cross B and C cross C. That is 5, 5 or 5, 5 is both in B cross B and C cross C. 5, 6 is both in B, B cross B and C cross C. 6, 5 also in the both set B cross B and C cross C. And 6, 6 also in the both set. Therefore, put this as equation number 4. Now we can notice easily that equation number 1 equal to equation number 4. One equal to 4 on the right hand side. Therefore, the left hand side also 1 equal to 4. That is A cross A equal to B cross B into C cross C. I think you can zoom and put brightness. You are, you all are very brilliant student. So I think you can understand my class. Okay, thank you for watching my class.